In this video, we'll be giving step-by-step instructions on how to make a template of your boat deck using the existing molded-in non-skid pattern. The completed template will be used to create a custom SeaDek kit. All you'll need for this project is your customer information sheet, masking tape, a sharp razor or a pair of scissors, a pen, a Sharpie marker, a straight edge, and your template material. The customer information sheet, Sharpie marker, and clear template material will come included with your templating kit. Since you'll be using your molded-in non-skid pattern to create your templates, place your boat in a well-lit area and make sure the deck is clean and dry. Begin by unrolling the template material and placing it over the area to be templated to make the best use of the material. In this case, the sheet doesn't quite cover the entire area I want to template, so after I trim the material so it lays flat on the deck and tape it in place, I'll use a strip of excess material and simply tape it onto the sheet that's already in place. In this case, I've taped two pieces of template material together to make a larger piece. It's helpful to draw a few straight lines across where the separate pieces meet. This way, if the two pieces become separated, they can accurately be reconnected. Now that my template material has been trimmed so that it lies flat on the deck and has been taped securely in place so that it can't move, I'm ready to write all of the basic information directly onto the templates to help assist the SeaDek CAD designers in creating my custom SeaDek kit. The items that are absolutely essential to be included on the top side of your template are your name, address, year, make, and model of your boat, bow, stern, port, and starboard orientation, a part number for each individual part, and notations of any hinges, latches, cleats, or cutouts that you might be templating around. If you'd like to have a faux teak pattern applied to your kit, please indicate which direction you would like the teak lines to run. Here I've indicated that I'd like them to run bow to stern. If you have chosen a color combination, you can include that information on the template as well. Now I'm ready to start tracing the non-skid pattern. Go slow and take your time. It's not necessary for every line to be razor straight or every radius to be perfect, but the better the template, the easier it is for us to make an accurately fitting part. That said, if there's some wiggles and wobbles in your straight lines, we'll be able to straighten those out for you without too much trouble. Once you finish your tracing, please do not cut your templates along or on top of the traced lines. It's very important that the entire line is visible on the template material because this is what we will actually be scanning once we receive your template. To keep this video from becoming too long, I'm going to skip ahead through the tracing process. I'll also create a longer video showing more of the actual tracing. You'll be able to find both videos on our YouTube page or the DIY video section on our website. When it's necessary to use two separate pieces of template material for two adjacent parts, as the ones shown here, please use a straight edge to make a line crossing from one part to the other. This will help us to achieve proper part-to-part orientation. This is especially important when we'll be applying a faux teak pattern to your pads. In this image, you'll notice that part number 2 has been templated as one solid continuous piece. It'll be helpful to understand that your SeaDek kit will be made from original sheet sizes of about 40 inches wide by 80 inches long, with the grain or texture running lengthwise. Part number 2 is considerably wider than 40 inches. That means the part will have to be broken up into either 2 or 3 individual pieces by our CAD designers. In this case, the customer has requested a custom fish ruler and SeaDek logo. A 3-piece design will be the perfect solution. Once you're finished tracing and all of your information has been written clearly on the templates, please take a few photos of your templates in place on your boat. These will be used as reference by our CAD designers during the design process. The photos can be emailed to your customer service representative. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. You can find even more helpful how-to videos on our website, SeaDek.com. That's SeaDek.com.